Number 3 is the LexMark MB2236i all-in-one printer. The LexMark MB2236i all-in-one printer is a powerhouse for printing under $300, which makes it ideal for creating stylish and efficient custom prints. With a generous maximum input sheet capacity of 250, you can take on large printing projects without requiring frequent paper reloading. This printer can handle sheets of up to 8.5 x 14 inches, ensuring compatibility with various sizes and intricate designs. Its fast print speed brings your creative ideas to life more quickly, and the standard two-sided printing feature allows you to make the most of your paper resources. Experience the convenience of seamless wireless printing and sharing with this printer's advanced connectivity. With standard Wi-Fi, you can effortlessly print and share from any device, your computer, tablet, or smartphone. This printer also offers USB and Ethernet connectivity, which allows for versatile integration into your office setup. To simplify your printing experience, it can develop the LexMark mobile print app for added convenience. With its robust and comprehensive built-in security features, this printer goes above and beyond to ensure the utmost protection of your valuable designs. This printer also champions sustainability by offering automatic two-sided printing, reducing paper waste and helping you save money. Furthermore, it is equipped to handle up to 100% recycled paper, allowing you to contribute to a greener environment without compromising quality. And if you like this wireless laser printer, be sure to check out the link in the description box below.